Hello, guys. Our today's topic is 六书. Liu means six, and shu means book. So, what do we mean by six books? Actually, this is the six methods of forming Chinese characters, namely pictogram 象形字, ideogram 指示字, combined ideogram 会意字, phonosemantic compound 形声字, transfer character 转注, loan character 假借. We're going to take a look at these one by one. So pictogram, that's a graphic symbol. It comes from a pictures. So it comes from resemblance to a physical object like 山, the mountain, 水, the water, 火, fire, and 土, the earth. They are examples of pictograms. That's the simplest and the easiest way to form a Chinese character. A second form, oh, by the way, just a quiz. What's that? Look, we have the trunk, the branches, and the roots. It's mu. It's the tree or wood. Now, this is the second type. It's called ideograms. We know that this red part, that's mu, that's wood. But if I use my finger to point to the top part of the wood, of the tree, I mean, I'm referring to this part of the tree. It means the end, the end. So the pronunciation is mu. Now, that's ideogram. It expresses an abstract idea through pointing out to either the shape or the sound or something like that through an iconic form. A third type, combined ideograms, 会意字. What is that? It's the compound of two or more pictograms or ideograms. Like, we know this is wood, but if I put 2, 3 wood together, what's that? It's woods. It's forest. The pronunciation is sen. It means woods or forests. That's combined ideograms. The fourth one, phonosemantic compound. This is probably the most important way to construct Chinese characters, and it forms over 90% of Chinese characters. So it's a meaning part combined by a pronunciation part. Like this, we know this is mu, wood. And if I add a radical to mu, this radical, 3 dots, means water. Later on, we're going to talk more about that. But the combination or the compound is called mu. So the pronunciation comes from woods, same pronunciation. But the meaning comes from the radical. So this character means to wash oneself or to have a bath. So this is phonosemantic compound. The next two are 2 types of loaned characters, but the most important 4 types are the top 4. So today we'll spend some time discussing the pictograms. We know that pictograms are from pictures, so a lot of times we are able to tell what a character is by how it looks like. For example, this is the sun. This is the sun. It's called 日. Now, let's play a game. Let's take a look at the following short video. And let's try to see what these characters are. Let me try to share the screen. So, what's this character? It's a bird. Look at the head, the wings, the feather. That's a bird, 鸟. What's this? It looks like an animal, the body, the head, legs, tail, and the mane of a horse. Yes, this is a horse. It's 马. It's 马. An animal again. Legs, body, head, tail, and a long nose. Yes, it's an elephant. It's 像 an elephant. Look, that's directly from a picture, right? What's that? Actually, this is fire. This is fire. The pronunciation is 火. 火. Next one. Oh, okay. That's something we are familiar with. It's a little river with water flowing. So it's water. Here it is. 水. That's the pronunciation. 水. What's this? A ceiling with jobs. Leaking ceiling? No, not really. This is not the ceiling. This is the sky. So what we're talking about is it's rain. 雨. 雨. Oh, again, this is something we have already seen. We have the trunk, we have the branches, we have the roots. So it's 木. It's 木. It means wood or tree. Look, it looks like a person. It looks like a person. But specifically, this person is stretching his limbs. What is he doing? He's saying that, okay, I'm big and strong. Now, this character means 大. It means big. It means big. 大. Okay. What's that picture? What does that look like? It's the doors. It's the doors. 门. By the way, this is the traditional Chinese and this is the simplified Chinese. We are going to talk more about the details of that later. But that's 门, a door. Oh, this one is challenging. So what does that look like? If you open wide and show your teeth. Yes, they are big teeth. So this is 齿, it means teeth. Look, we've seen quite a few pictograms and we have more. We have more. What's that? It's a fish. It's a fish. It's called 鱼. It's called 鱼. Again, these are the evolutions. The oracle, bronze, small seal, until the modern version, fish. Look, this is 人. This is 人. It looks like a person who is bending down and farming and working and working. This is 人, man or person. And the previous one with the person stretching out his limbs, that's 大. That's 大, big. And we have shan, we have a bird, we have the moon, the river, the door, the deer. The rain, and the palace. Look, it looks like a big house. It looks like a big house. This is palace. And also I have attached this YouTube with some other quite interesting information about the pictograms. So that's our today's content. Next week, we are going to discuss some more forms of how to form the Chinese characters. I'll see you next time.